Stage 2 of the installation process: fitting the battens and installing the trims. Supporting battens need to be installed around the perimeter to support the trims. Use 1 batten for raised edge trims and 2 battens for drip edge trims. Measure and cut the slate batten and install it with the screws or a nail gun through the fascia, starting at the raised edge side with a single batten. It's advised at this stage to sight in or string-line battens and pack out to suit, ensuring a neater, straighter finish to the edge trims. Measure and fix the first batten through the fascia and then offset the second batten 10 mm lower than the first to allow the trim to sit flush on the edge of the roof. A complete range of trims are available depending on the layout of the roof. Trims should always be used to adapt the system for any changes in pitch and around the entire perimeter of the roof, including abutments. For this roof, we will be using A200 trims, B260 raised edge trims, D260 fillet trim, C100 simulated lead flashing, and C7 corners. The D260 trim is installed wherever the deck meets an abutting wall. The C100 flashing will be fixed over the top at the end of the installation process. Measure and cut the trim using an angle grinder fitted with a stone blade to the required length, and fix to the deck using clout nails or a staple gun every 150 mm. Remember to wear safety goggles, dust mask and gloves when cutting the trim. A second D260 trim is required, and this will be trimmed to fit against the external wall and trim and secured down to the deck using clout nails. An A200 drip trim is installed where the roof meets a gutter. Curate trim adhesive should be applied before fitting. The trim should run to the edge of the battens and to the edge of any abutting wall. Fix to the deck using clout nails. The B260 trim is installed around the perimeter to guide water off the roof. Measure the trim and mark with a pencil where the A200 trim meets the B260 trim. Cut the flange of the B trim and mitre both drip returns to allow the trims to sit flush to the deck. Cut the trim with an angle grinder and apply trim adhesive to the batten. Fix the trim into place using the trim adhesive and clout nails. For any joints, overlap the trims by 50 mm and apply 2 beads of trim adhesive to the underside of the overlapping trim. Stage 2, installation of the trims, is now complete.